Here we have the no-name portable airbrush cordless compressor kit by Spray Gunner. Inside the packing, you will find a user's manual with a quick start guide, product specs, a cleaning guide, and some troubleshooting tips. The BD180 dual action gravity feed airbrush features a Mac valve on the front, a handle cutout, and needle stop control on the end with a 9cc fixed cup and lid. Also included in this kit is a spare battery with indicator gauge. A Type-C USB charging cable, and the cordless compressor. This unit is already installed with the second battery, which is charged and ready to spray. One button click for on, one for off. Simply twist to detach the battery and line up the white markers to reinstall the newly charged one. These also can be used while plugged in. Under the packaging, you will discover a 1/8 braided air hose, approximately 4 feet long, and a cleaning brush set with a nozzle wrench and one paint pipette inside the bag. This unit offers 8 to 9 liters per minute with a max pressure of 20 to 25 psi, so it's recommended for airbrushes 0.4 millimeter or smaller. With its light weight of 7 ounces and an estimated spraying time of around 1.5 hours to 2 hours, it's a great affordable and portable way to get started airbrushing. This cordless kit comes with a 1-year warranty, so get one here at spraygunner.com.